All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlackFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Floki Inu. Yep, this cryptocurrency is around 2,800th cryptocurrency. It's down slightly right now, about 11 or 12%. We're going to talk about that. Also with Floki, there's a play to earn. So everybody who's interested in playing to earn, we're going to talk about that. Also NFTs in the metaverse on Floki. So all kinds of good stuff going on with Floki Inu today. Since we're on the metaverse, we're going to talk about Bill Gates thinking that in the next 2 to 3 years, most of our meetings are going to be on the metaverse. We're going to be wearing the headset and we're going to be in the metaverse on an avatar. So we're talking about what Bill Gates thinks, and then also the top 20 cryptocurrencies talked about on Twitter in the month of November, and Floki Inu is not in the top 20, but we got a few other ones we want to talk about. So all kinds of good stuff, Floki Inu. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and actually one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's head over to Floki Inu. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, take a look at Floki. 2802 over here. Yep, 2802. Floki, it's down 11% in the last 7 days, but it's also down 11% in the last 24 hours. There's only 3 zeros in there, not 5 or 4 or anything. Click in the Floki. So again, down about 12% in the last 24 hours. There's 3 zeros, and then 1381. We'll give us our price prediction a little bit later. Taking a look in the last 7 days, Floki was kind of going down, 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 and it kind of crashed all the way up to the top here. Went all the way up and stuff. Now it's kind of coming back down, so you got a little up, you got a little down. What's going on with Floki? Now over here at the website, Floki is the people's cryptocurrency. Floki isn't just an average cryptocurrency, it's the people's cryptocurrency movement. A combining of the power of the memes with the real utilities and charitable, Floki gives power and opportunity to the people, to the underdogs instead of the venture capitalists and the hedge funds. Floki aims to be the most in use cryptocurrency in the world. How do you get the Floki? Well, you can buy it on PancakeSwap. You can buy it right here on Uniswap. You can even buy it with a credit card. So again, how to buy Floki? PancakeSwap, use Uniswap, buy with the credit card right here on your computer. Over here at Floki's Twitter page, said here's one of the most vanilla sneak peeks for you. Here's to play to earn on the metaverse. This game will be massive, and we'll share the sneak peek so you can follow along as we develop the game. So we're going to take a little look here. Take a look at the game here. It looks pretty cool. Yep. This is going to be in the metaverse. Yep, look at it turning there. All kinds of good stuff to look in the metaverse here. There's only about 30 more seconds left. We might as well let this thing run so we get a full idea of how this game's going to be. This is again on this Twitter page. Well, right there, that's the sneak peek that they developed the game. And it says right here, it's amazing to see Valhalla come to life after sharing some footage of the game is going to look like. And again, we just watched that. Some exclusive concept art of the game. The details are outstanding. Now tell me, isn't this the metaverse you want to be part of? I mean, the picture doesn't do any justice to what we just saw here. Yep. I mean, again, it's pretty impressive. So what are the 3 pillars of Floki? Floki is the people's cryptocurrency. The fact is reinforced by the 3 pillars that indicate that Floki stands for. Number 1, memes. Floki memes culture is strong. Our community loves and lives for the memes. And we strongly believe that the only way to truly take cryptocurrency mainstream and the mainstream adoption is by leveraging the power of the memes. Memes appeal to everyone, the poor and the rich, the small and the great, the young and the old alike. This is why people's cryptocurrency is a meme at heart. Utility. Why Floki has a strong meme culture, the Floki token is going to play a very core role in several utility projects being developed, including Valhalla, which again is pretty big. That's the gaming, play to earn on the NFT gaming metaverse. We were just kind of looking at that. The NFT economy, that's going to be awesome. You know, Floki is working to help create worldwide much more environment. Floki is working to help create a world where pretty much everyone is exposed to cryptocurrency and the blockchain in some form. To achieve this, we believe educating people about blockchain technology is a mission practical. Floki will be the premier cryptocurrency educational platform. It focuses to educate the mainstream audience. Floki appeals to get more familiar with the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. All kinds of good stuff here with Floki. So we got Dogecoin, we got Shiba Inu, we got Dogecoin Mars, we got Floki Inu. I mean, all these cryptocurrencies are just seriously awesome. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Bill Gates also thinks that the next 2 to 3 years that most of our meetings are going to be in the metaverse, that we're going to be wearing the headset, walking around, and basically, I kind of like sitting there as an avatar. Let's go check out and see what he has to say about the metaverse. It says it right here, most office meetings will take place in the metaverse within the next 3 years, Bill Gates says. It says you're going to be in an office meeting in the metaverse within the next 3 years, or at least that's what Bill Gates thinks. So the billionaire Microsoft founder made a major metaverse prediction in his famous Year in Review, annual collection of the reflection and guesses about what will happen in the years to come. Well, within the next 2 to 3 years, I predict that most virtual meetings will be moved from the 2D camera image grid, you know, the Hollywood squares, you know, the Zooms of the world, the Blue Jeans, all the different things, and they have the Hollywood squares, and everybody's kind of talking. So, you know, Bill Gates thinks it's going to move from the Hollywood squares right here model, although it's, you know, it's probably dates me to the metaverse, a 3D space where the digital avatar. You know, Gates believes that instead of the physical meeting in an office space, we'll be soon meeting as avatars and interacting in a similar way. Ideally, the motion capture, audio technology to make the metaverse feel like a real life. It also should be noted that Microsoft announced last month that it was launching Mesh, a platform for virtual teams to collaborate in a 3D space using customized avatars. So there you go. Bill Gates thinks we're going to be in the metaverse in the next 2 to 3 years, you know, kind of walking around as an avatar, checking out the meetings, sitting in your classrooms, all kinds of stuff. Instead of the Hollywood squares, he says, you know, that kind of dates him and stuff. But again, when you're in a Zoom meeting and there's all these different people, or how about when you're scrolling through and you don't even know who's in there? Well, the avatar thing, I mean, it could be a pretty good thing. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Well, let's go do a real quick top 20 in November. This is the top 20 most discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter in November. So just from the bottom, Matic was number 20. 1% of the people were talking about Matic. Cardano was number 19. 1% were talking about Cardano. Alderon was 18 with 1%. Sandbox with 1% at 17. Mana was at 16 with 1.1%. Phantom was at 15, 1%. PancakeSwap 1.1%. Avalanche 1.6%, number 12. XRP was number 11. Rounding out the top 10. Polkadot 2%, number 10. Cardano, number 9, 2.9%. BNB at 3% at number 8. Dogecoin Mars at number 7, 3.1%. SafeMoon at number 6. Dogecoin at number 5. Bitcoin at number 4, 6. Solana's at number 3 at 8.3%. Ethereum at number 2 at 10%. And the number one spot, people talking about the most, Shiba Inu in November, 16%. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, Floki, again, is down about 10% in the last 24 hours, 11% in the last 7 days. What's our price prediction? Well, I think this coin can definitely go from 1382 to about 4,000. 0004000, maybe by the end of the first quarter. All our information, again, is for educational purposes only, but a lot of people are talking about Floki. Everybody knows about Floki Inu. It's very popular, and you know what? It's just very popular meme. So with that, thanks for tuning in. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every single day at around 12 o'clock noon. If we bring a second video, a bonus video, it'll be around 6:30, Monday through Friday. Saturdays and Sundays, we're bringing videos around 3 to 4 o'clock. Hey, everybody, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends, and have a fantastic day today.